Hello everybody, this is Burny Bear from the St. Paul Fire Department. I want to remind you about something very important, working smoke alarms. You need to have smoke alarms on every level of your home, inside each sleeping area, and outside each sleeping area. If your smoke alarm has a battery, you need to replace the battery every year. Your smoke alarms need to be replaced every 10 years. Smoke alarms protect the ones you love. Make sure they are working today. If you need to replace your smoke alarms or need additional smoke alarms, please call 651-279-5976. We can help. See you next time.